and welcome to Gordon Guitar Citizen Soldier. It's been a while, but now we have this song called Unsaid. Cool song from Citizen Soldier as always, and let's start right away. Capo here on the 3rd fret, and let's go with the chords first. So we have 5 different chords to learn. So first chord will be A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That's A minor. Next chord will be F. So you bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord, G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be E minor. So that starts with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So those are the chords. All right. So we had this intro with a melody to it. I'm gonna show you the notes first, and it's pretty easy to do that. The hardest part here is to try to play them. So yeah, you could try to do that with a strumming pattern with just downs. I'm gonna show you pretty soon how. But first, the notes. So the melody would be like this. Okay, so you're gonna do that for 3 rounds, and then you're gonna end with this melody. Okay, so the first melody will be like this. So that is 3rd on the B string, then open E, then 2nd G, then 1st B, 3rd B, open E, and 2nd G. That's the first melody. So you play that for 3 rounds. So and then on the 4th round you play this melody. Sorry. Like that. So the last one was 3rd on B, open E, 2nd G, 1st B, 3rd B, back to 1st B, and open B. Alright. So the hardest part is to play them in the chords, and that is what we're gonna try to do now. The chord progression will be kind of 95% of this song: A minor to F to C to G. Okay, so 1 round of the melody here that will cover 2 of the chords. So A minor, and then comes the F here on this 3rd fret B string, and then it starts another melody here, and then comes the C chord, since A minor and F is the first 2 chords, and then comes the C and G. The next melody part will cover the C and G, so C, and then comes the G on that note again, 3rd fret B string. Okay, and then the 3rd round of the same melody will be the same as we just learned for the A minor and F. So, and then F here. And on the 4th round we have the 2nd melody that will cover the C and G, the last 2 chords. So C, G. Okay, if that makes sense. So A minor, F, C, E, G, A minor, and F, C, E, G. Okay. So now we will try to chew on these chords here and try even to emphasize these notes, and that is not the easiest part. And for this, when it comes to the F chord here, I want to give you the F major 7 as an option here. If you choose to play this melody, this intro melody, it's not necessary, but it's cool to know. So if you do that, then use the shorter F or the F major 7, and that chord looks like this. It's 3rd on the D string, 2nd on G, 1st on B. Okay? That will be that much easier to get the notes, or yeah, it makes it even possible. It's very hard to get it with this full bar chord. Since you must use your fingers for getting the notes here. Okay, so much easier to use the shorter version here, the F major 7. So yeah, now I will try to demonstrate slow for you what I mean when I talk about to hit the notes with the chords, and it will not be 100% correct now, and that's yeah, it's you can aim for that, but you will not get it correct 100%. But if you get it kind of 50%, it's great, even, because you will really hear a melody here, and that's the point of this. So I will try to give you one variation here, and remember, always harder to play it slow. So if I do that in slow, if you can do that, then it will be easier when you do it fast. So let's go now. C, G, A minor, like this. Okay, I can do it again, perhaps it'll be better. So let's go. So when you play this style here, you cannot do big downs like this, full downstrokes. No, it's impossible, because then you will play many strings and notes, and you will not get the melody highlighted here. So you need to keep it very short like this and really try to strum on the string you want to emphasize. So if you watch my right hand here, something like that. Give it a try, and perhaps half an hour, and I think you will nail that. This is new for me as well. So yeah, that's the melody. When it comes to the rest of the song, we will have just downstrokes, and like I said, 95% of the song is A minor, F, C, and G. Okay, so we will hammer or make downstroke 8 times for each chord. So 8 times, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. But we have a different kind of rhythm. We have this one. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So if you count 8 downs, you will emphasize the 4th and the 7th down. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. fret. So that is how the song goes. Then we had a little bridge part, and that bridge part comes in about 2 minutes and 23 seconds into this song. And in the lyrics, how much longer should I scream? Okay, so here you will use the F, then you go to the G, then A minor, then E minor, then F, and then you end with G, only 5 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that is the bridge part, and then after that it continues with the A minor, F, C, and G till the end of the song. So that is the song from Citizen Soldier called Unsaid. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. A little bit challenging here with the intro part. Give it a try. It's just a small part of the song, so if you cannot handle this, then skip it and just play the 4 chords, and it's great either way. So good luck. See you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Play tuned.